Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change your Tesla Model 3 wiper blades. It's a simple maintenance task that you can do yourself in about 15 minutes. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Then, access the service mode for your wipers through the car's large touchscreen display. Having the right tools, like new blades and a soft cloth, will make this process smooth and efficient. Now that your wipers are in service mode, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into its service position. You'll notice a small tab or button on the connector where the blade meets the arm. Press this tab firmly to disengage the locking mechanism. With the tab pressed, carefully slide the entire old wiper blade down and off the arm, taking care not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. With the old blades removed, installing the new ones is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook-shaped end of the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Once both new blades are attached, carefully and slowly lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield, avoiding any sudden drops. You're almost done. The final step is to exit service mode on your Tesla's touchscreen. Once the wipers are back in their normal resting position, it's time to test them out. Activate your windshield washer fluid and let the new blades make a few passes. Observe their performance. They should clear the glass smoothly and quietly without streaking or chattering. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Tesla Model 3 wiper blades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.